How does dental insurance work? It seems it doesn't cover much. Dental insurance is a little bit of a paradox when it comes to insurance. Typically we buy insurance to protect our personal finances against different risks of significant loss we are exposed to. And while there are certain unknown risks in terms of dental health, the unexpected need for a root canal, crown or dentures, the dental insurance system actually does a lot more to provide coverage for routine expenditures that have no risk at all. We control our semi-annual visits to the dentist, and those visits, x-rays, etc. are both predictable and not particularly perilous to our personal finances. So why do we purchase dental insurance at all? Well, there are several good reasons. 1. Employer subsidy. Many employers offer dental insurance on a heavily subsidized basis. This is a perk of being employed by that company and is probably worth considering, even if the annual maximum benefit isn't that great. 2. Dual tax protection on employer-offered plans. Both the premiums you pay via payroll deductions with an employer-based plan, as well as the benefits paid out by an employer-based plan, are usually set up tax-free. Premiums are pre-tax and benefits are not taxed. 3. Pooled risk. In an employer plan, as long as participation of employees is above certain minimums, there are people who don't utilize the benefits and tend to subsidize the ones that do. This can mean that dental benefits are of even greater value versus the premium paid for people who are diligent about going to the dentist every 6 months. If you only go once a year or less, you're not getting as good a value from the plan. 4. Amortization of dental expenses. For some people, paying for the dental exam, cleaning, x-rays, and any other service during periodic visits, can be a lot of money all at once. A dental plan spreads the cost out over monthly payments, and typically routine preventive services are covered at 100%. 5. Discounted fees. Dental insurance typically falls into one of 3 types of plans: indemnity, PPO, or DHMO. Indemnity just reimburses the dentists their full fee, up to a maximum based on the reasonable and customary allowance in that particular zip code. If employer-sponsored, this is a pretty good plan as it allows universal access to all dentists, and provided the insurance carrier doesn't have a low-end reasonable and customary allowance, it's a good plan for the freedom to choose any dentist. However, you won't see too many individual plans written as indemnity plans, because insurance carriers aren't providing much, if any, value. If there is no pool of risk, the best you could hope for is trading dollars, which doesn't make much sense. PPO plans. Insurance companies have negotiated network discounts with specific dentists in their network, as well as credentialed them for quality, malpractice, etc., and those discounts probably average around 25% off the usual fees. Since most dental insurance carriers need about 25% operating margins, the network discounts are what makes PPO plans a better deal for consumers who use in-network providers. On an indemnity plan, if the average dentist charged $200 for services, the insurance company would need to collect $267 to cover claims and maintain a 75% loss ratio. However, if the PPO discounts those charges to $150, the insurance premium would only need to be $200. So from the consumer standpoint, I can either pay $200 full retail to the provider, or pay $200 to the insurance company and have the same services covered theoretically. My point is that the PPO discounts help make this type of plan a much better deal for the consumer, or employer. Through dental insurance, you can avail routine checkups, emergency medical assistance that also includes dental accidents covered under the policy. You can claim the amount covered under insurance after you make the payment for the treatment. Dental policies may have set annual premiums or limits. These depend on the coverage of the plan. Most policies have an age range starting from around 18 years, although some providers offer insurance to children from the age of 6. Nevertheless, finding the best dental insurance plan is not as easy as visiting the dentist. Several health factors and your dental care needs determine the cost of treatment. The type of coverage provided to you can depend on several factors including who is covered, how many people are covered, individual or family, what are the treatments included, and so on. Another critical factor is the area or the region where insurance is provided. The cost of insurance varies according to the city and the network of dentists available in that region. According to the American Dental Association, 1/3 of Americans don't go to see a dentist due to its high cost factor. However, this need not be the case. Dental care is easily affordable provided one chooses the right service provider in addition to the insurance plan that is uniquely suited to his or her needs. For instance, in the state of California, several dental insurance service providers offer unique insurance packages for both individuals and households.